Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'll be walking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add emails to a list in ActiveCampaign. It's a simple process to get started, and if you want to follow along, check out the link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. From the main dashboard, go to the Contacts tab on the left-hand menu and select Lists. You'll see a list of your existing lists. Choose the list you want to add emails to and click on it. Once you're in the list view, click on the Import button at the top right corner. You'll be presented with several options for importing contacts. You can upload a CSV file, copy and paste contacts, or import from another service. For this example, we'll choose the Upload a CSV file option. Click Choose File and select your CSV file from your computer. Make sure your CSV file is properly formatted with columns for email addresses and any other relevant information. Once you've selected your file, click Upload to begin the import process. ActiveCampaign will prompt you to map the columns in your CSV file to the fields in your list. Ensure that the email column is correctly mapped. After mapping your columns, click Next to review your import settings. If everything looks good, click Import to finalize the process. And that's it. Your emails will now be added to the selected list. You can check your list to see the new contacts and start engaging with them through your campaigns. And don't miss out on our free email list building course linked in the description below. Discover how my team and I earned $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free at the moment, so be sure to check it out. If you found this tutorial useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on ActiveCampaign and other email marketing tools.